Hi, today we are going to learn about the internal linking that can kill your SEO ranking. As you know that internal linkings is a great way to connect your own orphan pages to your homepage and build your authority. So here now I will go to and see and show you what are the most common issues and mistakes that we look. Number one, using irrelevant links. For example, if your blog post is about health eating tips and you are tagging or anchor texting in keyword with car insurance service, this is an irrelevant link which confuses search engine and is not beneficial for internal links. Second, when you are using generic content tags such as click here or show here, these types of anchor tags don't work anymore. Your anchor word should be descriptive and relevant to the page you are linking to. Now, this is too many links in one page. Having too many internal links on each page is also a problem. You need at least 15 to 20 internal linkings depending upon the keyword you are using and the relevancy in your mind, and connecting only those pages which are highly valuable and create and keyword clusters to your pages. And your internal linking to low quality pages. Linking to weak or outdated pages can hurt your site's reputation. Your blog post related thin content is outdated, so you need to update your low quality content so that your pages may have some authority, and then you can do internal linking across all your websites using your navigator header or your footer header. Uh, Now for the orphan pages, like orphan pages are those pages which are lost in the jungle of your website. For example, a page which does not have any authority or which does not interlink to any page, including their relevancy or their authority pages. So for orphan pages, you need to interlink properly so that the search engine can index and crawl your orphan pages smoothly. And after that, a heavily optimized anchor test is also looks as spammy, like you should not use your anchored word again and again for the same keyword. This is an spammy practice, and search engine does not encourage this type of internal linking strategy. One of the most overview issue of the internal linking is 404, like when you ever change your blogs or your internal links or URL, and this will become a 404, a broken page, and your internal links leads to your 404. This is a very creative error, and you need to look out and find out while auditing your internal linking by a website such as a screaming tool or a 404 broken links found. You need to solve all this internal links issue. And after that, there are like poor link replacements, such as like you don't know where to place your internal link, and for the first 100 words you need to place your internal linking to your relevant keyword clusters or blog entities post, so that it can be called as a pillar and an helping support of blog types. And another type of site hierarchy is that you should have a clean, proper hierarchy for your website, such as your homepage, then leads to your category 1, that leads to category 2, and from category 1 to subpage 1 and subpage 2, and category 2 to subpage 1 and subpage 2, while interlinking all of these pages. So this makes a complete hierarchy for your website so that you can do your actually um, internal linking in a proper hierarchy. Now this is an home page and your service page, your blog page, your about us, and your case studies. So here, for now, your service page, your SEO service is a page, your website service is a page, and your content writing is your main page. And now internal link SEO services underneath this local SEO, technical SEO, and SEO audit. So now interlink all of these to SEO service and SEO services to form this SEO service. And now your web design services, these have three pages: website design, e-commerce design, landing page design. Now what you want to do is interlink all of these designs into web design. And now content writing, blog writing, product description, SEO content. Now you want to interlink all of this, and now this will interlink into this, and this will interlink into this, and this will interlink into this clusters of topics. And now in the blog categories, there is SEO test, digital marketing, web design, content writing, WordPress. So now your local SEO should be pointing with SEO tips, your digital marketing, your web design service should be targeting web designing, and your WordPress, your content writing must be interlinking to content linking. And now in about us, our story, our team, career, and testimonial. So now all of your blogs and about us pages should be interlinking according to the context and relevancy. And with case studies like SEO case studies, web design case studies, PPC case studies, or content marketing case studies, you should be targeting your main service pages and cluster pages with your case studies. You can also interlink blogs with your case studies. And now in contact us, and here is your internal link best strategies, like internal linking best practice: link relevant pages to each other, use descriptive anchor text, link important pages from relevant high traffic pages, maintain a logical site hierarchy, avoid excessive linking, update links regularly, help user and search engine navigate easily. Now here you can see hierarchy link, contextual link, your contextual link service to blog or supporting link related pages. And now we will see that how Google crawl your site using internal links. Google bot lands on your website and start to finding your internal link pages or your sitemap depending upon which it can find it first, and then use it to crawl your entire website. If your website is not properly interlinked, it will not be crawl smoothly. And discover more pages, when you are creating a new blog or new landing page or service page effectively, you need to interlink so that Google can discover more frequently and crawl and index it smoothly without wasting your crawl budget. And either better crawling, better ranking, a strong internal linking structure helps you grow and understand your site better. So this is pretty much about it, and now let's go to our uh, uh, practical sites. And here you can see there are three blocks, and we will open all three, all of them, and we will show you that like if you want to internal link this block, just copy your internal link of this, yeah, like this, copy the link, and you can just open and go, and here you can see your keywords which you want to interlink. And for this way I am selecting a keyword that is most usable for this type of blog. So here I am looking, yeah, and you don't have to look very down. Yeah, this is pretty much it, and you can just select this and you click and you will enter the link and apply and update. So now this is your internal link, and this is pretty much about it. So and now you can also copy your this link to your internal linking, and you can also go to this page, and you can find a uh, well designed professional web design that is a relevant, and now you can just link to it and it will update your internal link. So this is how internal links work, and for more information about internal link and more SEO hacks and tricks, do subscribe my channel and comment on my video internal link so that I can send you internal link proper hierarchy and proper linking, internal linking proper schemes that you can use on your website. Okay, thank you, bye bye.